Fresh air fills these empty pages. Heartbeats to brand new stages. Morning sun breaks through my window pane. Yesterday's tears washed by gentle rain. Streets alive with colors I can taste. Every breath now, nothing goes to waste. These hands shake with anticipation, so awakens pure sensation. Diary holds these precious moments. Life unfolds in sweet components. Nayi Subah, Nayi Roshni, दिल में है उमंग भरी, जिंदगी की खुशबू से सब कुछ लगा नया लगे. Footsteps dance on cobblestone paths. Friends gather around, sharing innocent laughs. Every corner holds adventures untold, stories written in hearts young and bold. These eyes see endless possibilities. Dreams take flight with such ease. Pages turning, seasons changing. Hope inside me rearranging. Nayi Subah, Nayi Roshni, दिल में है उमंग भरी, जिंदगी की खुशबू से सब कुछ लगा नया लगे. Clouds by waves, revealing blue skies. Wonder fills my grateful eyes. Each page I write becomes alive. This is how I truly thrive. सब कुछ लगा नया लगे. Fresh air fills these written pages. Heartbeats through all of life's stages.